was at my high school was like 80. No, it was like 80% Mexican, and then like 20% white, and then maybe like 5% Asian, 5% black. Like it was like barely.
It was like 5%.